Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about arrays in JavaScript, part of Web Technologies course. In JavaScript, an array is a special type of object that stores a collection of values. Arrays are used to store list of items such as numbers, strings, or other objects. Each value in an array is called an element, and each element has a unique position or index starting from 0. You can create an array in JavaScript by using the square brackets or the array constructors. In this example, two arrays are created. The first one is an array of numbers and it is created using square brackets. The second one is an array of colors and it is created using array constructor. You can access an element of an array by its index using square brackets. In this example, the first element of the colors array is accessed by its index of 0 and the output is red. JavaScript also provides a number of built-in methods for working with arrays, such as push, pop, shift, unshift, slice, splice, concat, sort, reverse, etc. These methods can be used to manipulate and work with the elements of an array. Arrays are a powerful feature of JavaScript. They allow you to store and manipulate collections of data in an organized and efficient way. It is important to use them in a structured and readable way to make your code easy to understand and maintain. It is also important to note that arrays in JavaScript are dynamic, which means that they can grow or shrink in size. You can add or remove elements to or from an array at any time. And the length property of an array will be updated accordingly. In this example, the push method is used to add an element purple to the end of the colors array. This updates the length of the array and the output is red, green, blue, and purple. It is also worth noting that arrays in JavaScript can store different types of elements, meaning that an array can have a mix of numbers, strings, boolean, or objects. In summary, arrays are a fundamental data structure in JavaScript that allows you to store and manipulate collection of data in an organized and efficient way. JavaScript provides built-in methods and properties to work with arrays, and it is important to use them in a structured and readable way to make your code easy to understand and maintain. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.